Now we are going to cover the remaining questions of question number 3, exercise 11.4. So open your textbook, open book page number 176, exercise 11.4, question number 3. What is the question? Convert the following temperatures into Fahrenheit scale. Here temperature in centigrade is given and you need to convert this centigrade into Fahrenheit scale. The temperature given in centigrade into Fahrenheit scale. Okay. So to convert into Fahrenheit scale, we have one formula. We used one formula, do you remember? That is degree F is equal to bracket open degree C multiplied by 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32. Right? So let us convert this. Question number B, given 45 degree C. Now we will convert 45 degree C into Fahrenheit scale. So solution, I am writing, we know that. What we know? We know the formula. We know that degree F means Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is equals to bracket open degree C multiply with 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32. It is the formula. Now put the values. We don't have any value for degree F, so write degree F as it is. It is the symbol of degree. Okay, is equal to bracket open degree C. We have the value of degree C, which is 45. So write 45 here, multiply with 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32. As we know that we always solve the bracket first. So we will solve the first bracket. Whatever given inside, which operation is given inside the bracket, we will solve this part first. Then we will solve the remaining. Okay? Fahrenheit is equal to. Now we know that this number 45 don't have any denominator. So if any number don't have any denominator means which number will be in its denominator? Always 1 will be in its denominator. So if I write 45 upon 1, it will be correct. 9 upon 5 plus 32. I hope it is clear to you. In chapter fraction we have discussed this. Okay. Now I don't have space further, so I am writing here. But in notebook copy you will note down in the following lines. Okay. Degree F is equal to. Now we have two fractions, 45 upon 1, another fraction is 9 upon 5. Inside the bracket we have two fractions and we want to multiply them. So what we do? How we multiply fractions? To multiply fractions, what we do? We multiply numerator with numerator. That is, upside number will get multiplied by upside and the number in the denominator position will multiply by denominator. So 45 into 9, multiply both. When I multiply 45 with 9, my result is 405. Now multiply denominator 1, multiply 5. 1 5s are 5. Bracket close plus 32. Now what this bracket is saying? This bracket is saying 405 divided by 5. 405 divided by 5 or 405 upon 5. It means we need to divide this 405 by 5. So in rough work I am dividing 405 by 5. 5 8s are 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. 0 is not divisible by 5. So we will bring down 5 here. Now 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So our quotient is 81. When I divide 405 by 5, my result is 81. So write degree F as it is equal to 81 plus 32. Now I am erasing the numbers. So degree f is equal to 81 plus 32 is 130. So 45 degree C will be equals to 130 Fahrenheit. This is how we convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Note down in your copy or take the screenshot. Here 45 degree C is equals to 130 Fahrenheit. You can write in your answer. In your answer you can write 45 degree C is equals to 130 degree Fahrenheit. It is your final answer. Okay, now we will solve the next, that is part C. I hope you have completed this. Now we will solve part C. Okay, so what is the value given in part C? It is given 100 degree centigrade or Celsius. 100 degree centigrade or 100 degree Celsius. We will convert this into Fahrenheit scale. So right solution, we know that we have this formula to convert. We know that degree F is equal to bracket open degree C multiplied by 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32, right? Now put the values in the formula. We don't have any value for degree F, so write degree F as it is equal to bracket open. So bracket open. What is the value of degree C here? 100 degree. So write 100 multiply sign. So put multiply sign 9 upon 5. So write 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32, right? Now observe in the bracket, this number has no denominator, so we can put 1 in its denominator. So 100 upon 1 multiplied by 9 upon 5 plus 32. Now we have two fractions which we need to multiply. So I don't have a space below, so I am writing here, but you will write in your following lines. Degree F is equal to bracket open. Now this 100 will get multiplied with 9. Numerator will get multiplied with numerator in fraction, and denominator will get multiplied with denominator. So numerator 100 multiply 9. 100 into 9 is 900 upon 1 into 5 is 5 bracket close plus 32. Now what this bracket is saying? This bracket is saying 900 upon 5 means 900 divided by 5. Solve this in rough work. Divide 900 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 is not divisible by 5, so we'll bring down 0 here. Now it becomes 40. 5 8s are 40. Okay, now subtract this. 40 minus 40, 0 is remaining. Now this 0 will bring down here, as it is not divisible, so we need to put 1 0 here, right? So when we divide 900 by 5, what is our quotient? Our quotient is 180. 100 we get 180 plus 32, don't forget to write this portion. Now I am erasing this rough work. Now in rough work, add both these numbers. Degree f is equal to, add both these numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11, or carry forward. So when I add 180 with 32, my answer is 212. So final answer will be 100 degree centigrade, 100 degree C is equal to 212 in Fahrenheit. In Fahrenheit scale, what you will see? You will see 212 degree F. And in centigrade scale, you will see 100 degree C. In thermometer, two scales are there. So this is the solution. Note it down or take the screenshot. Okay, next question, that is question number D. In question number D, what is given? The given temperature is 70 degree C. The given temperature is in question number D, the given temperature is 70 degree C. Now what is our task? Read the question. Convert 70 degree C temperature into Fahrenheit. 70 degree C. Okay. We know this formula. Fahrenheit is equals to centigrade multiplied by 9 upon 5 plus 32. We know this formula. Now put the values in the formula. Right? Degree F as it is equals to bracket open. What is the value of degree C given? What is the value? 70. So write 70 multiply 9 upon 5. 9 upon 5. Bracket close. Plus 32. Right? We have put all the values whatever we have in the formula. Now write in the next step degree F is equal to, as one is fraction and other is a whole number. So I am making it fraction, and to make fraction I can write 1 in the denominator. So 70 upon 1 multiply 9 upon 5 bracket close. Do not forget to write plus 32. Okay. So now in the next step we will solve degree F is equal to, see in the bracket, inside the bracket we have two fractions and we want to multiply them. So to multiply fraction, what we do? We multiply numerator with numerator and we multiply denominator with denominator. So here 70 will get multiplied with 9. So 70 into 9. 630. When I multiply 70 with 9, my result is 630. Now multiply denominator with denominator. 1 into 5 is 5. Okay. Do not forget to write plus 32. Now what this bracket is saying? This bracket is saying divide 630 by 5. Right? How we read it? 630 upon 5, 630 by 5 or 630 divide by 5. It means we need to divide 630 by 5. In rough one we divide 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1 is left. Now we will bring down 3 here. 6 2s are 10. Now 13 minus 10 is 3. Now we will bring down the 0 here. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30. 0 is left. And what is our quotient? Our quotient is 126. 126 is our quotient. Now degree f is equal to, when we divide 630 by 5, we get 126 plus 32. Now I am erasing this rough one. Now in the next step, add both the numbers 126 and 32. Add both the numbers. So degree f is equal to, when I add these numbers, I got 158. So 70 degree C is equals to 158 degree Fahrenheit. So what is our answer? 70 degree centigrade is equals to 158 degree Fahrenheit. This is the final answer. This is how we solve. It is very easy. If you remember the formula, it is very easy to solve. Just to put the values in the formula and solve accordingly. You will get your final answer. Take the screenshot of the solution. Okay, I hope you have noted down. Now the next question, that is E. Number E. 85 degree C. 85 degree C. We know that degree. Right solution, right, we know that degree F is equals to, bracket open, degree C multiplied by 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32. It is the formula. With the help of this formula we can convert. Now put the values in the formula. Degree F is equal to, bracket open, what is the value of centigrade here? Here given 85, so write 85 at the place of degree C. Now multiply symbol is there, so put multiply as it is. 9 upon 5, so write 9 upon 5. Bracket close, so do bracket close. Then plus sign is there, write a plus sign. 32, so copy 32 as it is. Now we have put the value of degree C in the formula, right? Now in the next term, solve further. 85 is whole number right now, and 9 upon 5 is a fractional number. So we will make 85 as a fractional. To make it fractional, I can write 1 in the denominator. To make it fractional, I can write 1 in the denominator. Multiply 9 upon 5, bracket close. Do not forget to write 32. So plus 32. Now I don't have further space, so I am writing in that part. But in your copy, what you will do? You will write in the following lines. So here degree F is equal to, now we know that we solve a bracket first, right? This 85 upon 1 is a fraction and 9 upon 1 is another fraction. We have two fractions inside the bracket. And which operation here 85 is numerator, 9 is numerator. These two numerators will get multiplied. Multiply both 85 into 9. When I multiply both the numbers, when I multiply 85 with 9, my result is 765. Divide by 1 into 5 is 5 plus 32. Now what this bracket is saying? This bracket is saying divide 765 by 5. So in rougher I will arrange them in the standard form of division and divide. 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 2 is not divisible by 5, so I will bring down 6 here. 5 5s are 25, 26 minus 25 is 1, 1 is left, 1 is not divisible by 5, so I will bring down 5 here. Now 5 3s are 15, 15 minus 15, 0 is left. What is the quotient? Quotient is 153. So degree F is equal to, when I solve it, what I got 153 plus 32. Now I am erasing this rough one. Okay, I hope you understand till this step. Degree F is equal to, now add up both the numbers, 153 plus 32. Add both these numbers. After addition I get 185. After addition I get 185. Now what will be for final answer? Final answer will be 85 degree centigrade is equals to 185 degree Fahrenheit. It is the final answer. 85 degree C means 185 degree Fahrenheit. Note it down. Take the screenshot of the solution. Write all the things or make your notes very systematically. Write each and everything properly in your notebook, okay? So that at the time of exam you can use them. Okay, last question, that is F of question number 3. It is given. What is the given temperature here in question number F? 60 degree. The given temperature is 60 degree. Right? What is our task? Our task is to convert this 60 degree centigrade into Fahrenheit scale. So, right, solution, we know that degree F is equals to bracket open degree C multiplied by 9 upon 5 bracket close plus 32. We have write the formula. Now we will put the values in the formula. We don't have any value for degree F, so write degree F as it is equals to bracket open. We have the value of degree C. What is the value? 60. So write 60 here. Multiply symbol. So put a multiply symbol. 9 upon 5 is written. So write 9 upon 5 as it is. Bracket close. So close the bracket. Plus. So write plus. 32. So write here 32. Now we have put the value of degree C in the formula. Now in the next step, one is whole number, other is fraction in the upon 5 bracket close. Plus sign, so write plus 32. Now in the next step what we will do, degree Fahrenheit is equals to, in the next step we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 60 plus into 9, 60 into 9, 540 upon 5 into 1 is 5, right? When we solve this bracket we get this 540 divided by 5 plus 32. Do not forget to write this plus 32. Okay. Now what this bracket is saying? This bracket is saying divide 540 by 5. So in rough work I am arranging both the number column wise. Standard form of division. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0 is left. 0 is not divisible. I will break down 4 here. This 4 is not divisible by 5, so I will put one 0 in the quotient part. Now I can bring down the 0, that is next digit in the quotient, in the dividend. Now this 40 is divisible. 5 8s are 40. 40 minus 40, 0 is left. What is the quotient? Quotient is 108. So degree F is equal to, when we divide 540 by 5, our result is 108, then plus 32. Now I am erasing this rougher. Now come to the next step. Degree F is equal to, solve this step, add both the numbers, add 108 with 32. So when I add, what is the answer? When I add 108 with 32, what is my answer? My answer is 140. So in final answer we will write 60 degree C is equal to 140 degree Fahrenheit. So see, if you will observe your temperature. Okay, if you are observing your body's temperature in thermometer, and if you see at the centigrade scale, if the lead is at 60 degrees C, so in Fahrenheit scale what you will say? It is 140 Fahrenheit. Both are equal. Okay, temperature is measured in two scales. One is centigrade and other one is Fahrenheit. And this is how, with the help of this formula, we can convert centigrade into Fahrenheit scale. So note it down, the solution, or take the screenshot of the solution. Okay, so today's class is over here. We will cover the remaining question in the next class. This class is over here. Note down all the solution very properly. Okay students, we will meet in the next lecture. Bye bye.